Okay, today's math lesson is using a hundreds chart to add. You can either print out this hundreds chart that is in Canvas, or you can use the one that's in your book on page 329. So to use a hundreds chart to add, you are going to either read the word problem and find out what number are you starting on and how many you are adding to it, or looking at just the addition equation using the first number and then adding on however many are added to that number. So if we start with the problem, Alice picks 12 flowers. Then she picks 4 more flowers. How many flowers does Alice pick? Well, the problem tells us that she picks 12 flowers to start with. Then she picks 4 more. So I'm going to start at 12 and I'm going to count on 4 more. So I'm going to keep my finger here. So I have 12. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So she picked 16 flowers in all. You see how I started with the first number? I counted the spaces of how many more flowers she picked, and I ended up at my final answer of Alice picked 16 flowers. So let me try another one. Ella picks 10 strawberries. Then she picks 20 more strawberries. How many strawberries does Ella pick? Well, she picks 10 strawberries to begin with, and then she picks 20 more. Now, I can count on 20 spaces from 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and come up with Ella picked 30 strawberries. Or, if I can think this in my head, or possibly seeing it written on paper. So Ella picks 10 strawberries to start with. Then she picks 20 more. Well, I can see that 20 is 2 10s. This last column is counting by tens. So I'm starting with 10 and I can count on 2 more 10s. 10, 20. So that ends me in the same place. This one you can work out either way because it is a 10. Okay, so let's try another one. This time I just have the math problem 24 plus 4. So this one's going to work similar to the first one we did. I'm going to start on 24 and I'm going to add on 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I end at 28. So 24 plus 4 equals 28. Okay. Now if I take a look at my next problem, I have 31 plus 40. So here's my 31. And this one is similar to the one we did with the 20 strawberries. We draw a line because we're looking down here. So we have 31 is where we're starting. And we are adding 40 to it. Now this 40, remember, is 4 10s. Okay? Each of these rows going across is 10. That's why we were able to count down 10 to get to 30 when she picked 20 more strawberries. Well, we can do the same thing for this problem because we're counting on 4 10s. So if we start at 31 and we count down 4 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, we end up at our answer of 71. Okay, so if your number that you're counting on or adding to is a tens number, you can just simply count down the row instead of counting across.